Hi, Girl Scouts. I'm Miss Karina, and I am the Girl Scout Experience Facilitator for Tulare and Kings County. And of course, I'm a part of Girl Scouts of Central California South, as well as you are a part of our organization. So I can't wait for you to be able to get out there and start experiencing all the great adventures and experiences that we have to offer and all the great fun stuff you're in, just the awesome time you're gonna have. So today I'm gonna show you the friendship circle. So let me pull that up. So girls, this is the Make New Friends song. So the friendship circle represents the unbroken chain of friendship among Girl Scouts and Girl Guides around the world. The friendship circle involves Girl Scouts standing in a circle, crossing their right arms over their left, and clasping hands with their friends on both sides. Everyone then makes a silent wish as a friendship squeeze is passed from hand to hand around the circle. So I like to do the friendship squeeze after the Make New Friends song. So during the friendship circle, we usually sing this. So remember, you take your right hand over your left, you're gonna grab your neighbors, and you're gonna sing this song while you're in the friendship circle. So it's Make New Friends. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I wanna be your friend. And I know you girls have way better vocals than me, so I hope you have an awesome time singing that. And so after that, you would do the friendship squeeze. So the person who starts the squeeze would squeeze first, and then it would go on until the end, and then we turn out and we drop hands. So that's the Girl Scout friendship circle. So I think that's included in your packet, and just memorize the lyrics, and you'll be able to do it during your after your meetings, because usually it's after. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope I didn't hurt your ears. If I did, I'm sorry. I'm not a singer. So I hope you're staying safe, and remember that we can't wait to be able to have fun times with the girls. Like, everyone's anxious to get back to meeting in person and stuff. I know that. But stay safe, wash your hands, and be sure to check out our calendar on our website and look at all the fun stuff we're offering virtually. So be sure to check that out. And remember, you have to sign on to Eventbrite and register to be able to do those classes. But join in on the fun until we can meet again, girls. Bye. Stay safe.